Alright guys, I was very curious about this particular Easy Clean surface cleaner. My wife's been bugging me about cleaning the sidewalk, so I'm trying to make it as easy on me as possible. So I picked this up at Home Depot, 70 bucks, and I already used it. I'll let you know what the results are. Just want to tell you real quick what you're going to need to use this. This is a quick release that connects to here, and of course that's connected to that quick release is connected to my wand, which is connected to my water pressure machine. So it says that you can only have a maximum of 3,300 psi to operate this, and just so happens that's what I got, 3,300 psi. So if you got a more powerful water pressure machine, I wouldn't advise it. You'd be taking your risk there and using it, having to damage that particular item. And I guess if you have something lower, it wouldn't be so bad. Alright, so need that quick release on the end of your wand to use it, and just hooks right up into it. Alright, I'm going to give you the results.